How to start a fabric business. How to start a fabric business online. Hey! Are you looking forward to starting your own fabric business? Are you already aware of the technicalities involved in this fabric business? How to start a fabric business, online fabric business, wholesale fabric, and looking forward to taking it a long way ahead. The article will let you know about the entire associated business plan along with the successful strategies for initiating the business. You will get to know about establishing your brand values in the market, finding out the wholesale fabric supplier, importing and exporting the raw materials, time management, cash flow management, and many more. Let's follow fabric business plan all the points. Number 1. Keeping clear business objectives. There exist unlimited options for getting into the fabric business. You can think of yourself as the retailer, wholesaler, or simply dive inside the fabric niche market. Depending upon the business understanding, business contacts, and available funds, you better keep a crystal clear objective of choosing a particular domain. Moreover, you should even get to decide about the kind of market for targeting the customers. Moving ahead with an objective without any confusion help you establish your identity and create a successful business brand. Number 2. Capital requirement. Management of the capital after finalizing the business objectives plays a vital role. As per the wholesale, or the retail business venture, there will be variations in capital requirements. Furthermore, you can go for a one-time investment for setting up the business or get to choose the loan-like options. There even exist several government norms regarding promoting young entrepreneurs for setting up their business. Number 3. Logistics setup. The setting up of the logistics can never be ignored for establishing the business brand and earning huge revenues from the same. For example, in case the individual is looking forward to setting up the retail fabrics business, it will be mandatory for the individual to choose the business location for shop opening. Additionally, it will even be mandatory to select the profitable raw material supplier and marketing individuals. Number 4. Understanding the business market. The business market under the fabrics domain can never remain static, and keep on changing concerning the consumer's demand. The entrepreneurs in the business need to analyze everything from the pricing of the product to the response of the consumers regarding the fabric. A sound understanding of the market trends proves beneficial for the long-term establishment of the business. Most importantly, the product demand, competition in the market, and pricing of the fabrics need to be efficiently monitored to stay ahead. Number 5. Importing the raw materials and choosing the right vendors. There exists great importance of the raw materials, along with the right vendors for long-term business establishment. The quality raw materials and the right vendor help the entrepreneurs crack the competition and provide the consumers with cost-effective products. In case you're moving ahead to establish the identity in the textile business, you can accordingly look forward to the vendors in the concerned domain. You need to be humble and creative enough with the suppliers and always ask for providing quality materials without any compromise. Number 6. Finding out the compatible fabrics. It is mandatory to find out the right fabrics depending upon the demand of the consumers. The vendors, as well as the manufacturers, need to be contacted for the same. Pricing and negotiation should also be monitored on a priority basis. Moreover, get to consult the malls and fabric outlets as well to match up your level, and ask them to showcase your finished products for customers' attention. Number 7. Retail and wholesale business perspectives. As already mentioned, there must be the finalization of the business objectives in terms of the wholesale and/or retail establishment of the business. Depending upon any of the above-mentioned criteria, there will be a difference in the total investing amount, manpower requirement, space for executing the business, raw materials, time management, and many more. In case you have decided to move forward with the retail fabric business, you need to be fluent enough in the appropriate market analysis. For wholesale purposes, your supply chain management in the market needs to be strong to get a good business profit. Number 8. Cash flow and time management aspects. Cash flow management in terms of having a small business credit card can assist a lot in a successful business establishment. The strategy will help you take care of the ongoing charges along with safer online transactions. Furthermore, There remains the possibility of heavy cashback offers on the purchases. Last, but not least, you should be smart enough in managing the business hours and allotting the same with every wing of the fabric manufacturing unit. Either you are dealing with employees, total inflow, outflow, daily transaction dealing, import, export of the fabrics, raw materials, or the others. Try to be efficient in time management. Number 9. Business location. Business location plays a key role in development. Either you are dealing with the fabrics, or any other business, the prime location plays a vital role in attracting the customers for their needs. For example, the fabric retailer shop in the market and nearby educational institutions like schools, colleges, organizations will run ahead in comparison to the shop residing outside the regions. Similarly, the wholesale fabric business will likely grow exceptionally in the industrial and massive location in comparison to the other ones. Get to choose the best one, and move ahead with a pre-decided strategy for success. Number 10. Dedicated website and apps. No matter whether you are opening up a retail shop, or decided to move forward with the wholesale fabric business, you should own a website and list down your products with appropriate pricing over there. Also, provide the facility of Android and iOS apps so that one can visit and order the products instantly. I hope this article will help you to start a fabric business. However, for more information visit www.stitchingbusiness.com. Thank you for waxing.